we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And guys, of course, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And what did we see last night? We saw CME open. A little volume came in. We moved up a little. And then we saw the stable coins move up and we started to get drained. So guys, we know that we're in the bear market without a shadow of a doubt. This is a trader's dream. We want volatility. I went in, I came out, and then I was back in this morning. Now we have Charles, the founder of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum, believes Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. We know if it is a crypto that can flip Bitcoin, it's definitely Ethereum. But the problem is what we don't hear about is Bitcoin Lightning, what you hear on this channel all the time. Bitcoin Lightning is going to speed up Bitcoin's transaction. That's all we ever hear. The negative point about Bitcoin is that it's slow. Bitcoin Lightning is built for those micro payments. We know Bitcoin could have scaled. The only thing you have to do is read the white paper. And if anybody knows this, Charles understands this, so don't fall for it. We heard David Schwartz talk about Bitcoin Lightning on several occasions. It's going to fix all the problems that everyone complains that Bitcoin has. Now, we had Bitcoin and cryptos dipping this morning. Guys, do not forget to pay attention to the indicators because they let you know everything. Volume, Tether. And what did we see in Tether, guys? Still at that 62 billion. And we know as Tether moves, so does crypto move. They're going to be doing another repo this afternoon, which definitely should be moving us up, but make sure you're paying attention to the indicators. That repo is going to put us around $1.2, $1.4 trillion. We see the stock market is definitely benefiting off of that extra liquidity, but over in the stock market, it hasn't spilled over. Most likely, once the stock market closes, then we will start moving up. Now, we have an important 2.5 weeks, guys. Why? Because this week we have CME futures, of course, Binance, the other exchanges, and then plus options. So, guys, over the next 2.5 weeks, it's going to be so volatile. It's going to be definitely a roller coaster. But as a trader, this is what you want. This is the easy money. So, definitely, guys, find you the cheapest crypto that has utility, guys, and ride it back up. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice, but please do your own research. And then we have the big whale, guys. End of this month or beginning of next month, we have Grayscale. This is so important. I can't say it enough. Look at all the assets they have, and that lockup period is going to be coming to an end. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have the Central Bank of France test digital currency-based security settlement. Now, I went over this before that they will be testing this along with the Swiss. That test has been completed. And do not forget who comes up in this, guys. Who comes in this? Luxembourg. And we go back to Liberty Reserve and then also Ripple, guys, is all connected from the beginning. Now we have Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buys more Bitcoin, $489 million in cash. And he keeps buying, and we know why, guys. We know Morgan Stanley has his back. Now we have Bitcoin hash rate hits an 8-month low as Bitcoin miners power down. And we also have Doge dumps as Dogecoin sponsored NASCAR driver crashes. But we know this has nothing to do with the crash. As we can see, all cryptos are pulling back. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But Dogecoin is still sitting at number 7 in market cap. That means it's not going anywhere. And then lastly, guys, we have Michael Burry warns that the mother of all crashes is coming for crypto. And is he correct? Yes, it is. Crypto stocks. And I let you hear it out of Jerome's mouth himself. Our growth is going from 7% down to 3%. We know that inflation, yields are going to rise, and then interest rates are going to happen in 2023, but we know they already priced that in. We know this $8 trillion balance sheet has to wind down. We know that the only way they can control inflation is by raising interest rates. Can you raise interest rates on an $8 trillion balance sheet? You can, but you would blow everything up overnight. They have to shrink the balance sheet in order to raise the interest rates. And pain is going to happen in America. Remember what they do. They create the problem. Print all this money for the 4th Industrial Revolution. Use the C word to bring in all this technology. They wait for the reaction. All the free money ends September 6th of this year. The moratorium for eviction is going to end this summer. So the pain will come in for the Americans. And what are they going to do? They're going to run to their government. And the government is going to find a solution. Free money, cryptos, all your privacy out the window, and the central banks becomes the all-seeing eye. They see everything, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.